Let's focus on the ng sound that can be heard in the middle of words like singer and in the end of words like in ring. To make the ng sound, place the back part of your tongue against the soft, squishy part of the roof of your mouth. The tip of your tongue should stay low in your mouth. Let your lips and teeth stay in a relaxed position and your jaw drops a little. Since the back of your tongue is blocking your throat, let the air flow out through your nose. Your voice is on, so you should feel vibration in your throat. Mm, mm, mm. Now you try to say the ng sound. Sometimes letters team up to make special sounds. These teams of letters are called digraphs. Unlike blend, where you can hear each letter sound, some digraphs make one simple sound you already know, or they create a new sound that is different from the individual sounds of the letters. These special digraphs can be found at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end of a word. The letters N and G come together to make the NG digraph. The NG digraph makes the voice ng sound, like in the word ring. The N and G come together at the end to say ng. Let's practice decoding a word with the ng sound. First, look at the word. Then, say each sound from left to right, remembering that the NG digraph makes the ng sound. Eh, ng, ring. Now you give it a try. Great job! You just decoded and read the word ring. Have fun practicing decoding words with the NG digraph, which makes the ng sound.